litres makes a fruit drink. She uses apple and mango ratio 3:1. So apple to mango in ratio 3:1. I always like putting a total column in here. 3 and 1 total gives me 4. How much for each type of juice which you need to make 1 litre of the fruit drink? Give your answer. Millilitres. 1 litre is 1,000 millilitres. If in doubt, it's always 1,000. And that is not apple or mango, it's a total, so that's 1,000 there. And to do that, I have to times by 250. So times this one by 250 will give me 250. Times that by 250 will be 750. So it's 750 millilitres of apple and 250 millilitres of mango. Right, it's got stars. I'm going to have to use some words to make it very clear what I'm doing. I'll obviously speak some mine to save some time. Mango's 56 for a 1 litre carton. Mango's 120 for a 1 litre carton. 80 plants cost this. She sells her in 250 millilitres cup. That's quite nice because that means that 4 make 1 litre, 1,000 for 60p each. She gives all the profit she makes to the school fund. That's nice. And she makes 80 cups. Well, that's useful because 80 cups cost £1 and sells them all. How much money does she give to the school fund? Well, let's see what her takings are to start off with. Takings. She sells 80 cups and she sells them for 60p each. So times that by 60p each. If I'm doing that, 8 times 6 is 48, and then add the 2 zeros, 480, and so to 4,800, and that's pence. If I want it in pounds, divide by 100, that's £48 her takings. Now I need to see what the cups are. She does 4 of the cups, 4 of these make a litre. She sells 80, so 80 cups at 250 millilitres each means that there must be 20 litres equals 20 litres because 4 of them make a litre, so therefore there'll be 4 20s make 80. We know that 250 millilitres is mango, so a quarter is mango, which equals 5 litres of mango at £1.20. 5 times 1 is 5. 5.20 is another pound. So that's £6. And if 1/4 is mango, then 3/4 of it will be apple. And so that'll be 15 litres at 56 pence. That's going to be in pence. And to do this, I'm going to do 10 times 56 equals 560. 5 times 56 will be half of that, so that'll be 280. And add them together to get 0, 6 and 8 is 14. 5, 6, 7 and my 1 carry 8. So £8.40. And then I've got to add on my £1 for the cups. So I've got £6 for the mango. I've got apple is £8.40. I've got cups £1. Add them up 0, 4, decimal point, 6 and 8, 14. That comes to 15. So £48 were her takings, and subtract £15.40 for her costs. If I'm doing that, I've got £15.40. If I add 60p, that'll take me up to £16, and then I have to add another £2, will take me up to £18, and then another £30 to take me up to 48. So that'll be £32.60, and £32.60 will be her profit. Lots of other ways of doing it. That's just the way I tackled it. That's question 3 done.